Greetings once again. In today's video, we will be showcasing the top 15 deadly weapons which do not require gunpowder but can be bought at Amazon. Featuring everything from ultra-sharp blades and formidable bows to survival equipment meant for tough environments, these awesome weapons blend innovation, history, and sheer lethality. So, which one do you think is the best among them? Watch the video to find out. Number 1. Burner TCR. TCR is a small-sized tactical-style launcher that serves as an ideal choice for those who are looking for a better option for training and self-protection purposes. Having a rifle-type design, the device operates with the help of CO2, which allows launching of .68 caliber rounds in a consistent manner. Thanks to such features as an adjustable stock, Picatinny rails, and a comfortable grip, this product may be easily customized according to individual users' needs. In addition, with the effective range of 60 feet, this model provides reliable shooting at short distances. Being rather lightweight, the launcher allows users to operate it easily because of the dual magazine and user-friendly interface. Number 2. X Products Can Cannon. Can Cannon from X Products is arguably the strangest and most entertaining air rifle ever made. This device works by being attached to an appropriate lower frame and shooting blanks rather than live ammunition to throw a 12-ounce can without bursting it. Smooth bore construction allows for throwing cans over considerable distances, while accessories help shoot objects like tennis balls and golf balls. What makes this launcher stand out is a combination of both originality and ingenuity of engineering that turns an old idea into a new one. However, the Can Cannon is a purely recreational device and not a tactical one, and serves only as an interesting accessory for the yard. Number 3. Gen 12 Less Lethal Multi-Launcher. The Gen 12 Less Lethal Multi-Launcher, a product of Genesis Arms, represents a cutting-edge platform for today's controlled force operations. The gun is designed in the style of common AR-type weapons, but its specific purpose is to be a fast-firing launcher of 12-gauge less lethal munitions. This is achieved by using a semi-automatic delayed blowback system rather than the old pump-action method, resulting in a better cycle of firing and faster follow-up shots. It has an orange-colored receiver made from high-quality aluminum, with a 10.5-inch smooth-bore barrel which clearly shows that this is a less lethal weapon. The magazine-fed system gives the weapon the ability to fire multiple times faster. Number 4. Umarex Notos. The Umarex Notos is an air rifle of compact dimensions with remarkable performance. It comes in the configuration of a pre-charged pneumatic PCP rifle. It is intended to meet the needs of shooters who place a premium on the portability of their weapon and offers them a regulated PCP that offers constant performance and reaches the speed levels of over 800 feet per second when shooting .22 caliber pellets. It is equipped with a multi-shot magazine, side lever operation, an adjustable stock, and Picatinny rails for mounting optics and other accessories. Among its notable qualities is its modularity. It can be configured either as a carbine or a pistol-style gun. Number 5. Benjamin Airbow M600. The Benjamin Airbow M600 is a revolutionary design of an air-powered arrow launcher that integrates features from archery along with modern air-powered mechanisms. Unlike other designs, it works through compressed air that launches complete arrows at an incredible speed of 600 feet per second, producing great kinetic energy in the process. It has a front pull mechanism that ensures lesser arrow flex when launched. Using an impressive 3,600 pound per square inch air tank for power, it allows users to take several powerful shots with just one loading cycle. Being of the bullpup design, it is very convenient to use due to its lightweight and small form factor. Number 6. Hatsan Velox. The Hatsan Velox is a compact PCP air pistol designed to deliver impressive semi-automatic performance in a lightweight and highly portable package. Built by Hatsan, it combines modern airgun technology with fast, consistent shooting capability. The pistol features a removable 55 cubic centimeter air cylinder and a side bolt system that ensures smooth operation and reliable power delivery. Weighing only about 2 pounds, the Velox is easy to handle and well suited for range sessions and target practice. One of its standout features is its semi-automatic action, allowing rapid follow-up shots that are uncommon among PCP pistols. An ergonomic grip with integrated magazine storage adds convenience, while users praise its accuracy, smooth cycling, and practical design. Number 7. EK Archery Vulcan 415. The EK Archery Vulcan 415 is an innovative reverse-draw compound crossbow that is designed to achieve high speeds, power, and accuracy. Thanks to its state-of-the-art reverse cam technology, the crossbow is capable of reaching speeds of up to 415 feet per second, while remaining compact and balanced. In addition, the crossbow uses reverse draw technology to ensure a long power stroke without affecting the overall size of the weapon. This results in improved accuracy and control. One of the advantages of the crossbow includes the silent cranking technology, which makes cocking easier and more comfortable than in standard models. It comes with impressive specifications, including a 200-pound draw weight and a 15-inch power stroke. Number 8. Umarex T4E TX68. The Umarex T4E TX68 is an airsoft tactical pump-action point, 6.8 caliber launcher that can be used for practice purposes, as well as recreation and less-than-lethal uses. This airsoft weapon belongs to the Training for Engagement line developed by Umarex and features a tough-looking gun inspired by a shotgun but equipped with a tactical styling. The Airsoft TX68 is equipped with two 12-gram CO2 cylinders placed inside the stock and operates reliably with different types of airsoft bullets: paintballs, rubber bullets, powder projectiles, and pepper projectiles. It comes with a large-capacity internal magazine that carries 16 rounds. In addition, the TX68 features the quick piercing ability, enabling it to stay in storage without loss of pressure and be ready when required. Number 9. Burner SD Kinetic Launcher. The Burner SD Kinetic Launcher is a compact handgun-shaped non-lethal firearm system that fires .68 caliber kinetic rounds or chemical irritants at about 300 to 400 feet per second without the use of propellants like gunpowder. It employs compressed CO2 to launch either the chemical irritants or kinetic bullets. The Burner SD Kinetic Launcher is made of a glass-filled polymer housing with aluminum parts inside it to ensure it is durable yet light for easy handling. The device has a patented trigger system that pops the CO2 cartridge on the first pull to allow quick loading and firing. It has 5 or 7 round magazines and fires more than 1 bullet per CO2 cartridge. Number 10. Umarex T4E HDS. Umarex T4E TX68 is a tactical style of a launcher with bore diameter .68 caliber using a pump-action mechanism. It is manufactured by the well-known company Umarex under the series Training for Engagement and is made on the principle of a shotgun, but has a modern tactical design. Two 12-gram CO2 cartridge cylinders placed inside the stock give reliable functioning with all kinds of ammunition, such as paintballs, rubber balls, powder, and even pepper balls. This model has an internal magazine which can accommodate up to 16 shots. The quick piercing mechanism keeps the weapon ready for use without losing pressure. Number 11. Strike Light 2. The Strike Light 2 is a special type of self-defense weapon that incorporates the functions of a tactical flashlight with an embedded contact stun weapon, thus being useful and inconspicuous at the same time. The device was developed by the company Axon as part of the consumer line of Taser. At first glance, this is just a regular flashlight that conceals a powerful electric arc system inside its body. In contrast to other weapons that shoot their darts into the body, the device does not shoot anything at all. Hence, it must touch the attacker's body directly to produce an effect. Moreover, the weapon is equipped with a safety switch and a warning electric arc, which can serve as a deterrent prior to actual combat action. Additionally, the flashlight provides multiple lighting options ranging from a low-level to a high-level one, and even features a red light function. Number 12. Grimberg HP-68. Grimberg HP-68 is a .68 caliber projectile used in advanced, less lethal launchers and for accurate training purposes. This .68 caliber projectile, unlike regular paintballs, has a combination of copper and nylon and will not break upon impact. It weighs about 7.8 grams and is specially made to operate efficiently at close to 300 feet per second. Additionally, its non-spherical shape is aerodynamic in nature and helps it in flying accurately in terms of wind drift resistance and straightness of its trajectory. This makes it more accurate than round paintballs, particularly when fired through a rifled .68 caliber barrel. Produces more than 30 joules in a high-impact range of less lethal ammo. Number 13. Alternative Ballistics Alternative. Alternative Ballistics Alternative represents an innovative, less lethal technology that allows for the conversion of a regular-duty sidearm into a controlled impact device by means of bullet capture technology. While a regular firearm would fire the bullet at the point of target impact, the device is attached to the muzzle end and holds the fired projectile inside an engineered aluminum alloy casing. The bullet's kinetic energy is thus converted to impact energy with reduced chances of the bullet penetrating the body surface. It offers the greatest advantage by providing the shooter with the ability to easily and instantly switch from deadly force to less lethal by using the same weapon. Designed to be rapidly mounted and dismounted, the alternative allows one to keep aimed at the target and adjust the force used. Number 14. P2P Secure 68P. P2P Secure 68P is a gas-driven .68 caliber, less lethal trainer and simulator that uses CO2 cartridges as power source instead of conventional gunpowder. Such technology ensures consistent and reliable kinetic energy, providing safe performance for the purpose of training and simulations. Different ammunition can be used for this type of launcher: rubber, paint, or powder. Moreover, it was designed for realistic ergonomics, which includes hand grip design, triggering mechanism, as well as magazine feed. As mentioned above, there is an appropriate balance between force and reduced risk of penetration in .68 caliber systems. In addition, there is such benefit like modularity, easy changing from one ammo type to another, as well as the ability to perform several shots per cartridge due to efficiency of CO2. Number 15. Umarex Glock Model 34 Gen 4. The Umarex Glock Model 34 Gen 4 is a 6mm airsoft pistol operated on CO2 gas. This gun replicates a Glock competition Model 34 Gen 4. It comes with enhanced features such as an extended slide. Due to this, it offers excellent shooting accuracy. Its construction materials include plastic for the body, while the slide is metallic. The gun is durable and weighs well. Besides this, blowback action ensures the shooting experience resembles the real-life one. Its 23-round magazine allows you to carry many BBS. It also features an extended barrel which offers an increased sight radius. The gun comes with various interchangeable backstraps. Thank you for joining us in our list of 15 deadly weapons that don't require gunpowder. What weapon did you find to be the coolest? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notifications button for more great content.